I've gotten to that stage in my life that organizations are supposed to be flexible for me and not the other way around. I'm sure you understand, because whether without the training or not, I always have something to offer, right? Yeah, and that is how you should build yourself. In as much as I know I can learn more with all these local or mechanics, but I don't want a place to be sending me, Laura Malafumi, looking, excuse you, oh, immigrant, Laura, can what? Imagine coming to a scenario where we'll drag one topic for almost 3 months. You are reducing my IQ. I cannot. I feel like it should be like an accelerated course. Not like you should be telling me part of motto for the past 3 months how to identify a car. I'll leave the school. Today, let's know about motto. Tomorrow, let's know about engine. Next tomorrow, let's know about the tools. As in, they fast track them like that. You understand? Don't delay my time. We are using this as a jackpot mode. Don't you get straight to the point? My way is trying time. Permit me to maintain some freshness, please. Have you ever seen a very cute mechanic like this? Come and repair your cars, you. What's more point? So, I'm actually on my way. I'm showing guys my new screw. Not screw entirely, because God knows that I can't do mechanical engineering inside university. I know I used to tell you guys that Namomo they go university. I'm not a talker. University degree is mostly important when you want to do all this permanent residency, express entry you get. Abdul is not me telling you not to go to school, because the thing is, even if you go to school to go and learn mechanical engineering, you still need this kind of skills to actually, show your expertise. You understand? And I've always told the people on this channel, why pass long journey when you can actually pass shortcuts? So this is the first time I'm kind of how did I come about this one again? I don't know. This is like this 1 2 3 4 5 7 or 10 times I'll be coming about this thing, a course. Not course, like I just like exploring. And the thing is, I've lost counts on type of schools I've been through. I'll just do 1 week, I'll just opt out. I'll just do 1 week, and that's because when you're a research like this, when you're a research person, it's always very hard. Just like they used to say, somebody that has done a shower work, it's always hard for them to stay inside husband's house, and that's because they've tested with him. That is how it is. So me, as I am like this, I be career olosho. So anytime I find myself I can't really find myself staying in one place. I'll feel like exploring. I just like exploring. Always do all thinking, medicine or the thing is, once you have the brain and once you have the capacity, the ability, the capacity. Before now, I've been to one school like that. I don't know if I was posting the video. I did like 1 month there. I had to leave. That's because I feel like that school is reducing my IQ that I get sense past them. I'm so sorry. You see, this level of my life, this stage around there, I need somebody to add to my IQ and not like reduce. Because when I started that school, they started teaching us something like logarithm, indices, all those secondary school work. Even if I'm not Sabian, but saying, don't take me lower than my level. Just pick me up from where I am. That's in the day. So if I go to this school too, and I feel like that bringing me down than my research level, as much as I've tried to do my research and everything, and then another thing is I don't want to move away from my city, right? Try to make my research. So if I get there and what they are teaching, that formal school too, I pay school fees. I know if anybody tell me I'm going to leave, I will not believe. I paid plenty money, but still. So if I get to this school too, and what they are teaching me is below my IQ, I will run away again. I look for this to, and that's something about I don't know, maybe it's just the educational system, or just because I feel like I have groomed myself that much. Like I just like fast things, you get. So hopefully, and Hopefully. Why is this thing they show white? See, I don't know how to do this there. I just put. So this one will call the disgrace person. They call it wig marks or wastic. So after this one, I should go and barb my hair safe, because normal mechanic, you're supposed to have low cut tabi normal this thing. So this is me just telling you that you can be whatever you want to be, regardless of anything. And even if you've seen yourself trying so many things and it didn't work, keep trying. Even if somebody say, and jack of all trades, you try this, you try that, now you sabi. As long as say no be your papa money, at the age try as long as no be your time, at the age try as long as say no be your effort, you get, at the age try as long as say no be your leg, at the age waka go there, you get. You know, consign person papa. So to what $2 I feel talk say no na pumbling I won't do. I feel say no I can't do pumbling like because that's their job description, entry inside soccer and I have OCD. Even electrician, I cannot climb up, so that mechanic to work here for me. So guys, now I'm stepping out to I have an appointment with them. I'll be checking the school. But another thing is, I try to tell them that I'm a YouTuber, I'll be doing video. They're trying to say it's against the policy. I be the one hear me. That girl now say the woman, sorry, she now say I should come. Because if they not allow me to do video, wait I can't do for you school, because I can't time my life for the past days. I don't go do no you people know every day how much a video. Hi guys, this is how mechanic wake up in Nigeria. Hi guys, this is me going to mechanic school. Hi guys, this is how mechanic eats. Hi guys, this is how to fix your motor. How would I pay that type of money in that school? And I'll not do video for my YouTube people. Are you shit on me? Are you? But so far the customer care service, that is sound very nice, super nice. You say though it's against their policy, but since that's where I get my money from, she said there's a way we can do it. I'll not video the distinction. She told me she asked I should come. Like I'll come and explain to you. I said okay, I am coming. So it's part of the discussion. If you know go allow me to do video, then I long thinking to commit. She gets when you allow me to do video, Tom is on the same page, because I'm like so I'm like be a mechanic without imagine video. Even if I so guys, welcome on this journey with me on my back to school mechanic training school, you get. And this is me telling you people, this my own training, right? It's just 6 months. It's just 6 months, but I told them I can learn at my own pace, right? 6 months, but they have 6 months, they have 1 year. In my next video I will explain, because I did go out like this. So this is me telling you people that I used to jackpot. All those people that I used to waste this thing, how much is 6 months and all of that? I can't stay and learn this training in Nigeria, that you just go. Some of you just want to jackpot, you don't have any qualification, you don't have any skills, you don't have anything to give that country. You shall want to go down and be sleeping on the floor. Now you sabi. So this is why I like to use my life as evidence. So it's not just about me coming and talk about, oh, this course is this course is that, and I'm not practicalizing it. So obviously and of course, the goal at the end of this course is to jump out with it again. So that's why I'll be sharing my journey with you. I went to mechanical school, a mechanical training school, and I actually jumped out with it, got a sponsored job and all of that. So I'll be so you people know that me, I like to post realistic things, right? For example, when I started this channel, I used to say don't use agent, do the job yourself. But in reality, it's in jam money. Everybody use agent, but make sure it's sure one, you know. I'm not one of those YouTubers that will come and say all those courses that can come. No, it has to be realistic. And then another thing is, when I was making my research, I don't want to do my training in a place that they will be sending me amala. Yeah, no, I don't want that, because I see myself as a boss. I know the type of client I attend to, even I have pride. Yeah, and it's very kind of hard for me to reduce my shoulder part, in as much as anyway you feel get yourself to, right? Because I have had other clients that kind of respect my job. Yes, I understand that, but the thing is, you know how they used to do in this Nigeria, regardless of who you are, they will just relegate. Please don't relegate me, I'll leave your institution. I've had a couple of schools I've gone like that and they want to relegate. No, don't do that. I am my own boss. I am self-employed. No, But it's good to, like I said, I respect the rules, respect the institution, but don't make it seem like just because it's an institution and then you want to put me inside one colobo or start treating me like in a certain way. I won't accept that from you. Yeah, I won't. And you know I have small stature. My age does not look like me. So I won't take that. So I'm kind of looking for all these adult school that understand all these ones that will be packaging your life and will be saying this. So in as much as I know I can learn more with all these local or mechanics, but I don't want a place to be sending me, hey, Laura Malafumi, looking, excuse you, oh, immigrant, Laura, can what? Emi go mi le jíṣẹ́ fúnra mi. Mi le jíṣẹ́ fúnra mi, man. I order food online, I pay for delivery. Don't step delivery. Why go the jíṣẹ́ fún you just because I want lunching? Or Benny, please don't stress my life. Please don't be like me. Make sure you have your backup because you have more. That's just me. Naturally, I don't like somebody to be driving me around. Yeah, even if you want to drive me around, at least it in a very mature way that I won't feel really irritated. You get, I prefer it that way. So that's why I find myself living one place. And like I said, if I get to this school and I start scanning, I see that what they are teaching is reducing my IQ. I run away because in this stage of my life that I've grown and developed myself, I want a place, an institution that will actually add to my IQ. Yeah, that will actually boost my educate. Yeah, because sometimes some schools I'll be like, wait, what are people doing here? Killing Shigan. And the funny thing is, when I notice that these people are not doing anything in school, and then I ask, please, why do I have to come to school every day? Like, please, can I just come at the end of the month and just come and write the exam? Because Amy can't understand Google contention. Some people will drag one topic for a whole 1 month. I don't understand. And you guys know the thing is, I've actually studied outside the country before. And in that scenario, I've been a medical student, right? We'll take one topic one day. You read one topic one day. You come and tell your teacher what you learn. So I'm used to that type of advanced study mode. So imagine coming to a scenario where we'll drag one topic for almost 3 months. You are reducing my IQ. I cannot. Tell me the topic. Show me the syllabus. Let me go home. Can't use this thing. Dissect it. Come and tell you the answer. You know, I beg. On a faster lane. So this training now is 6 months to 1 year. They have 6 months, they have 1 year, they have 3 weeks, 18 weeks. I know some people might actually opt for the shorter one, the 13 weeks, right? Because I don't want 13 weeks. Like, I know where I'm going because I actually want to do this as a career, not just to jack, but I want to kind of say I should do it like a long-term career. So me learning, the more I learn is to my benefit, to my pocket, and to my So I know the rush, right? I'm taking my time. So I'm thinking of the 6 months / the 1 year. And then what else? I wanted to say something. Yep. So with this 6 month one, I feel like it should be like an accelerated course. Not like you should be telling me part of motto for the past 3 months how to identify a car. I'll leave the school. Today, let's know about motto. Tomorrow, let's know about engine. Next tomorrow, let's know about the tools. As in, they fast track them like that. You understand? Don't delay my time. We are using this as a jackpot mode. Don't you get straight to the point? My way is to try time. So that's me telling you, if I get to this school and I see that they are wasting my time, or more deal fanning, I'll look for another school that is going on a faster mode. So because that's the way my brain is programmed now. I don't like your mama, you get my brain have passed that level. I always like you people supposed to understand. So that's just so many things the immigration channel has made me to face. So guys, stay tuned as I take you to this journey of going to automobile training school in Nigeria. You will know I always love Nigeria, my country, always ever, regardless of who enter for presidential election. Don't consign me. Nigeria will always be my country. Even if I travel to another country and I have 32 citizenship, I will always be a full Nigerian, by blood, by flesh, by anything. Not as much as some of the things happening, I don't like it and all of that, but then Nigeria has been good to me in its own little way. Nigeria has been good to me. Nigerians, they've been good to me as well. So Come any day, come anytime. I'm always a full Nigerian. Whether I'm on a citizenship or anything. Every day, every time. I'm always what? A full Nigerian. And I am always what? Repping my country. You can see my home safe is going. So that is why I'm telling you guys, in as much as Nigeria is this or that, make sure you're well groomed in your career before you jackpot outside the country. And then another mistake people actually make is, you see this particular course, they try to say, okay, it's actually a good course. They go outside the country and they study it. My dear, studying mechanical work in Nigeria is not the same thing as abroad. In as much as that can be the advanced mode, but there's something that people do not know. People do not understand. You know that when I tell people to calm down, study in Nigeria, I can't this girl can't join me to. Anyways, stay with me on this guide. In as much as I'm supposed to charge for this, I'll be giving out some free information for those of you if you want to dive right into mechanical. Because I've had some people that went to study mechanical engineering at master's level, and then they're finding it hard to get sponsored job. Why? How are you supposed to get sponsored job? There are some courses that you should not study outside the judicial of your country, because getting the apprenticeship last one is for their citizens. Yeah, most countries are like that. You can't get their apprenticeship. For example, mechanical, plumbing, electrical. If you study it outside the country, you getting a job. You can't get it because the apprenticeship is available for only their citizens. Australia is the first on my list. Canada, UK too does it somehow, right? But I think there are some organizations in UK that they still allow you to do apprenticeship as a foreigner. But the thing is, with asking you, do you have left and right to work? So if you're going into vocational, your best bet is doing it in your home country, grooming yourself, and then just finding work before you jump up. Because if you feel like, oh, I know about this, can study it abroad. Well, I bend, because you don't go see where to do internship. You don't go see where to do this thing. Just like in Nigeria, that we have free ways, free places to do trainings, to do experience, to make this thing. Like today, just like see the way I'm talking, I can say if this school is not favorable, I'll go to another school. Like you can switch, I can get experience easily, but you can't do that outside the country. You cannot, right? You cannot. So before you pack your bags and choose a course you want to study, make sure you can actually get the experience as a foreigner. And that is why I love to take you guys through this journey. Why me? My stomach. So guys, I'll be stepping to my school. She said no, I love video, but I don't know. I'll make some video and then let's see if we can have an agreement. I own a YouTube channel and I would like to do video. Share you agree a bit, do not agree. Came out me looking the man long thing. If he say okay, we agree, but with a restriction. Okay, what's the restriction? If he's okay with me, I will say. If he's not, I'll look for another school. And if I don't see it, I'll come back inside my house and be making my normal video. Life not supposed hard now. I've gotten to that stage in my life that organizations are supposed to be flexible for me and not the other way around. I'm sure you understand, because whether without the training or not, I always have something to offer, right? Yeah, and that is how you should build yourself. So in as much as making video is actually against their policy, but just because it's ASHYDEMMYS, that's the condition I'm giving them. I want to make video, so we'll try to come into things in that thing. Yeah, so I've gotten to that stage in my life that organizations, they bend for me. No. So that is how you should learn how to develop yourself. But if you say game out, you just be what you get. But that's just to show how understanding the school is, how they actually kind of respect people's hustle and all of that. Don't worry, after my training, I'll come and tell you people the name of my school. After my training, but not before. So guys, I'll see you in this video. Bye.